here is a simple code which actually reads a button state on one of the pin of Arduino Uno R4 board and then blinks an internal LED. Okay, so for this we define the pin LED pin 13, which is the yellow LED which is connected to this particular pin as we see here. Okay, so DL4, and then there is a push button which is connected to the pin 12. So pin 12 is actually the D12 which is connected to this connector, and there is nothing in between. Okay, and what we are doing is basically we are setting up the modes later in setup. So LED pin must get a signal from the microcontroller, right? So that's why we have set the pin mode of LED pin to output. Okay, that means we have to write for that particular LED to glow or to turn off. And then pin mode is basically for the push button, it is mentioned as internal pull-up. That means there is internal pull-up enabled, and what is happening is the default state of that particular pin is high. So we have connected our circuit such that whenever a button is pressed, the microcontroller reads it as 0 and then glows a LED. That's how the circuit is made. So in the loop, what we are doing is we are continuously reading the push button state and assigned it to a variable. Okay, if the red state is 1, that means the button is not pressed. There is an internal pull up as enabled here. The LED pin is made low, else the LED pin is made high. This is a simple push button plus LED combination code which is written for the Arduino Uno R4 as you see here. Okay, so now let us just compile and dump this. So as we see, this particular code is working fine. Let us now see on the board how this is working. As we see here, this is a simple circuit where breadboard has the tactile switch, okay, the push button switch, and then one of the end of push button is connected to the pin 12 and other end is connected to the ground. Okay, now by default the both the connections are open, right? The switch is not the button is not pressed, so there is no connectivity between the ground and this one, so the LED is off. Now when we press here, you can see the LED is on when the button is pressed. When we release, LED is off. Okay, so again, so this is how the push button and LED are working together.